Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Today we're making up some no-fuss, easy French country chicken. 30 minutes, you are simply going to love it. It is absolutely delicious, so let me show you how to do this. So first things first, I'm going to grab up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are fairly thin, just so they cook on the faster side. And season these up with a bit of salt. I'd say about a teaspoon, but it's entirely up to you. About the same amount of ground black pepper. Now, I'm keeping things fairly simple here today, guys, but it's entirely up to you. I mean, you can add some paprika, some Italian seasoning, some garlic, whatever you like. Of course, give them a flip over and do the same thing for the other side. Incidentally, I'm still finding the price of chicken ridiculously high. I don't know about you guys. Okay, because we are dredging our chicken, let's work on our dredging station, starting with a couple of eggs that we're going to beat up. By the way, I am still on my farm fresh kick, and I find it makes a tremendous difference. And some of you guys say so too. But any old eggs will certainly do. And in our next station is simply a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I think you already know what's going to happen here. I'm going to grab up that chicken and dredge it in the flour until it is completely covered. And I guess if you really wanted to go wild on the seasoning, you could also season up the flour. Now into that egg mixture and just kind of dip and flip it around until it is completely covered as well. Okay, we shall just set our chicken aside on a plate. Next up, into a pan with a good knob of butter, about a tablespoon, and just kind of swirl this around and let it melt down. Then a wee bits of olive oil just to stop the butter from burning. Chicken in, and we are just going to let this fry up until it becomes a beautiful golden brown, and it is cooked through and no longer pink. And you know, I'm just kind of wondering how many chicken recipes we have on the channel. I should go through and count them. Have any of you guys actually counted how many chicken recipes we have? If so, let me know. Maybe we could do a giveaway for chicken counting recipes. I don't know. And of course, while these are frying, you want to peek a little bit, and if so, and they look done, go ahead and flip them over. You're going to get a bit of a crust on this because of the flour. See what I mean, guys? This is looking pretty good. Flippin' chicken, I love flippin' chicken. After about 6 or 7 minutes, we is pretty much done, guys, and these are looking good, so I am just going to go ahead and set these out on a plate again. Now it is time to make up our kind of French sauce with a 1/4 cup of cooking wine. You can also use white wine, or if you really want to be boring, just use water. Followed by a good old cup of chicken stock. And I am in the process of making good old chicken stock from scratch. I'll let you know how I make out. The juice of half a fresh squeezed lemon. A teaspoon of minced garlic. Yes, I have to have my garlic. Then about a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley straight from the garden, and it is getting pretty scarce this time of year, guys. And last but not least, a good chunk of butter, and I'd say again, a tablespoon. And you know what? This is starting to smell mighty good. And about this point in time, I think I'm going to throw in a little bit more salt, half a teaspoon or so. And a little bit more pepper, you know, just for good luck. Or is that salt is good luck? I don't know. Alrighty then, we'll bring this to a good boil or burl. Then add that chicken into that succulent, wonderful sauce. And believe it or not, no, that chicken does not get that soggy because you got some crust on there from the frying. Then we shall just lower the heat a little bit and allow this to simmer just for a few minutes, maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, something like that. After about 5 minutes or so, we are pretty much done, so I'm going to go ahead and serve this up on a plate with a side order of fresh garden salad. Of course, you simply got to spoon some of that delicious sauce over top of the chicken. And believe me, this sauce is so good, guys. I wouldn't lie to you. Then a slice of lemon or lemon, that's about the extent of my French, over the top of the chicken to make it look all pretty like. And of course, you guessed it, a little bit more parsley. And in your opinion, guys, do you think garnish is important in food? Let me know in the comments section. At any rate, there you have it, guys, our French country chicken. Ever so succulent, ever so delicious. 30 minutes, it is done, it is pretty easy, and the entire family is going to love it. And you bite into this, guys, it is stunningly amazing, simply a must make. I encourage you to make it. And if you do, leave us a comment and a like, because it really does help the channel out. And most of all, subscribe for many more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and catch you next time.